Iran has developed a jet drone called Shahed-238, which is expected to be used in Ukraine. Iran showcased an advanced version of Shahed-136 strike drones equipped with a jet engine and improved guidance systems named Shahed-238. The unmanned aerial vehicle was presented at the Ashura Aerospace University, according to Ukrainian outlet Militani. The jet-powered drone was introduced in 3 variants with different guidance systems. The standard model includes an autonomous guidance system with GPS integration. A second version features an infrared optical guidance system, allowing these UAVs to be used against heat contrast targets such as military equipment. Another variant of the Shahed-238 is believed to possess a radar guidance system. Such a drone could target radar installations based on their EM emissions, potentially blinding enemy air defense networks. Experts highlight that the drones are painted an unusual black color, which could be related to the use of radio-absorbing materials. The technical specifications of the Shahed-238 remain undisclosed. Analysts believe that the jet engine could provide the UAV with high speed, but this might reduce its flight range. A jet drone called Shahed-238 is expected to be used in Ukraine by Russians. A source from Ukrainian intelligence agencies informed that the Russian army could be receiving about 300 units of Shahed-136 kamikaze drones monthly, some of which are manufactured in Iran.